Welcome back, and today, we will get Delta iOS v2.688 on iOS, and no revoked, and no blacklist. Delete your Delta, because it will cause error if you have to Deltas.
Do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow.
Go to Safari.
Prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up.
Then the link is in the comments or in the description. Press download profile.
Keep my head up, staying strong.
Then allow.
Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best.
Go to settings.
Live with every breath, see my message start to spread.
Then profile downloading. Then copy what I do.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna
press on the DeadlyScripts app.
It's my only medicine, yeah. Everything I do, I'm just being genuine, yeah. I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline, yeah. I do just what I do.
Press Delta Direct Install. Then more Deltas. Then try every link until one Delta works for you.
I'm grateful, oh yeah. Able, oh yeah. I'm stable, oh yeah. No label, oh yeah. You know me, I have only a path. I'm lonely.
Then copy the link. Then go to Safari. Everybody listen up, 'cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. Then paste in your link.
I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back.
Then install.
I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooters
then press or Delta. Then you need to trust the developer. Go to General, then scroll down till you find VPN and Device Management. Then Enterprise App. Then Trust and Allow and Restart. Press Delta. Then your Delta should fully load in. Tutorial how to get the key in the comments or in the description. And goodbye and see you in the next video.